Welcome to Jökulsárlon, a mesmerizing natural wonder nestled in the heart of Iceland. Join us on an unforgettable journey as we explore the enchanting beauty of Iceland's largest glacial lagoon. Jökulsárlon is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. Formed by the retreat of the Jökulsárlon Glacier, this stunning lagoon spans over 18 square kilometers and reaches depths of up to 248 meters. The icebergs in Jökulsárlon come in a myriad of shapes and sizes, each one sculpted by the relentless forces of nature. Some stand tall like frozen cathedrals, while others glisten with streaks of blue and black, revealing the ancient layers of compressed ice. One of the best ways to experience Jökulsárlon is by taking a boat tour, allowing you to get up close and personal with these magnificent ice sculptures. As you navigate through the labyrinth of icebergs, you'll feel a sense of reverence for the sheer scale and beauty of this natural phenomenon. Just a stone's throw away from Jökulsárlon lies the legendary Diamond Beach, where icebergs that have broken off from the glacier wash ashore, creating a dazzling display that sparkles like diamonds in the sunlight. Jökulsárlon is more than just a glacial lagoon, it's a place of unparalleled beauty and wonder, where time stands still and nature reigns supreme. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of this extraordinary world. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Travel BYD.